So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So guys, in this video I am going to tell you about new TRX USDT mining website from which you can earn best income from home, and the name of this website is trxapp.org. And so I have given link of this website in description box, and you go there and click on that link, then you will directly come to this website. Then you have to fill all the things like your username, your password, and your area code and mobile number, and you have to fill your email this site and directly click to the register my account. So wait for the next step. So guys, the interface of this website is like this. Firstly, this will show that latest announcement of this website. You can check this first deposit gift in order to thank that the newly registered members for supporting the TRX app platform. You can see all the deposit details from this latest announcement also. You can check this 1000 TRX to 4999 TRX, you can get 8% bonus. Then if you will deposit 5000 TRX to 9999 TRX, you can get 30% bonus, 13% bonus. And the first deposit of 10,000 TRX to 89,999 TRX, then you will get 18% of bonus daily. Okay, so guys, you can check this all details from there only. So we have to click to close icon. So the interface of this website is like this, and this is very good. trxapp.org is this website's name, and you can check this deposit, withdraw, share, friends, team, app, and informations. You can check this deposit icon. I will tell you what is the deposit option from this, so wait for that only. Withdraw is from there, and share friends, the share friends is like that. If you share your invitation code to your friends, and they will join this platform from your link, so you will also earn from this website if they deposit in this website from your link only. Okay, and the team of this website is like you can check this level 1, level 2, level 3. Your team will show here, and you can go to the back option, and the app option is like this. So you can download the app from this website only. So information, I will tell you about the information. Share invitation like this, share the invitation link of this invitation code, and wallet registrations also, Trolling Pro and Bitkeep and BitBuy. Also buy currency, if you want to buy currency and you have wallet registration, you don't have wallet registration, so you can register to these applications from Google Play Store. Also you can download from that also. And if you come down from this website, you can see wallet and promotion account, and also the TRX mining cycling investment plans also in there. So you can check this, all the plans are here only. You check this website from the link of this website in the description box. You can check the price, limit, quantity and purchase quantity, cycle and daily interest rate, real time, participate in investment. Okay, so you can participate on this investment from only the cycle investment plan. Virtual currency mining, you can check this also. If you have another TRX wallet address, so you will also register from this website. Okay, so you come down from this website, join to be a TRX mining millionaire. Details, you can check the details of this website from this, and earning, view all, and this is your transaction records. Okay, so we will come down to this website, and you can check this 6-hour income and 30 days income of these websites, and instant quotes of this website, BTC, USDT, and all our currencies shown here. You can instant quotes also. You can check this instant quotes from this website also. Okay, and profit withdrawal of these websites. And global partners are WazirX, CoinDCX, OKX, Bitmain, Binance, Huobi, Tron, latest all things. So you can come to this income website, or you can check this. And investment plan, I have already told you, VIP 1 to 13, VIP 1 to 10 are these, and deposit quantity is like that. Daily income is also you have to shown there. Daily withdrawal are also shown here. And cycling investment plan and record, you can check the cycling investment plan, which is like I have already told about this. And share option, I have also told already about this earlier in this website. in this video. So I will tell you how to deposit on in this website. Firstly, you have to go to the deposit option, and total balance you can check this 9,999 TRX of this website, and you have to click on deposit option, transfer to basic account, and which currency you have to deposit in this website, you can click on that. I will click to TRX because I am depositing TRX from this website, and you will have to copy this link. Okay, copy this address and go to the Trolling Pro application, and then you have to click to the TRX, then send, and then paste that address from this, and then next, and then 100 TRX. I am depositing 100 TRX from this website, so I have to click on the send button, and you can check 1.1 TRX is the fee, and I am collecting my TRX wallet address password, and I have written the password, so we will wait for that. So you can check the deposit is successfully deposited from this website. You can check this 100 TRX is already deposited to this website. Okay, so we will come to this website and submitted successfully. We have to click to the submit successfully. Then you can check to the records also. 100 TRX is already successfully recharged to this website. Okay, you can check this, and I have told you about how you can register, and how you can share, and how you can earn from this website, and how you can deposit from this website. Now the remaining is withdraw proof, so I will tell you how to withdraw from this website, so please wait for this. So you have to click to the mine option and transfer you to the basic account. If you want to transfer to the basic account, you can also check this, and 18% Singapore time after 18%. Okay, you can withdraw from 24 hours to the you are depositing, and Singapore time after 18 to every day. Okay, so wait for that. So I am telling you that how can you withdraw from this website. So firstly, you have to go to the withdraw one option, and I will click to the withdraw option, and then you have to add your withdraw account. Okay, so click to the withdraw account and add digital currency wallet address, and click to the TRX, and then click to the wallet address, and go to your wallet address application, and then I will copy my wallet address. Okay, so I am copying my wallet address, and then I will go to the website, and I will paste that address from there, and I will create my password, and I am creating my password here, and I have to fill up 2 times this. Okay, I am filling up, and you can check this. I have created my account password also, and you have to click to the amount option, like 24 hours you can submit your 7 TRX withdraw from this website. Okay, so you have to click to the withdraw amount, and you have to click 7 TRX from this website, and 7 TRX I will click, and you have to click to the withdraw one option. Okay, from that you can withdraw simply from this website. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and you will definitely check this website, and so if you learn something new from this website, so comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for daily earning related videos, and also like to this video. So meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.